Sai's third present.
Angry Birds?
No way. What is that, Sai?
Rudy.
Angry Birds soot? You want to wear it right now?
Gold?
More presents? Bubby, you didn't even look at it. Look.
Have Mom open hers.
That's cool hoodie.
Tell Mom open hers.
That's to somebody else, baby. They're not here right now. What does that one say, Sai?
Yeah.
To Silas from Santa?
Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho. Man, he got in and out quick. We were asleep, huh, Sai? Come on. You got it? What's in there? Rip it. Get it. Get it. Okay, calm down. Up, look now.
Over there.